Today I'm going to show you how to change the primary column in Smartsheet. This is a common task when you realize the first column of your sheet isn't the most important identifier for your rows and you need to reorganize your data structure. Before we dive into the steps, here's something crucial you need to know. Up front, Smartsheet does not allow you to change the primary column directly through any settings or options. The primary column is locked in place when you create a sheet, and there's no built-in feature to swap it with another column. However, don't worry, there's a straightforward workaround that lets you effectively change which data appears in that primary position by manually moving your data around. Let's walk through this alternative method step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your homepage where all your existing sheets and workspaces are displayed. From your homepage, locate the sheet where you want to change the primary column. Click on it to open the sheet. Take a moment to let the sheet fully load so you can see all your columns and data clearly. Now that your sheet is open, identify which column you currently want to become your primary column. This is the column whose data you want to appear in that first locked position. Before moving anything, you need to create a temporary holding space for your data. So go ahead and insert a new column anywhere in your sheet. When creating this new column, make sure to select the appropriate column type that matches the data currently in your primary column. For example, if your primary column contains text, choose text or text/number as the column type. With your temporary column created, it's time to start moving data. First, select all the data in your current primary column and copy it. Then paste this data into the temporary column you just created. This preserves your original primary column data safely while you make changes. Next, go to the column you want to become your new primary column. Select all the data in that column and copy it. Now paste this data directly into the primary column, replacing what was there before. At this point, your desired data is now sitting in the primary column position where it will stay permanently. To clean things up, rename your temporary column to match the name of the column you just copied from, since it now holds that original primary column data. Finally, you can delete the source column that you copied into the primary column, since its data now lives in the temporary column you renamed, and there you have it. While this is a workaround rather than a direct setting change, it effectively reorganizes your sheet so the most important data appears in the primary column. This method works because Smartsheet's primary column can't be deleted or directly swapped, but you can change what information it displays. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.